Welcome to our fourth tutorial about working with dynamic blocks. In this lesson, we're going to learn how the scale action works. Let's begin by opening the block editor. And we will create a new block. We'll call it 001. Click OK. Let's go to the Home tab. I'm going to drop 3 rectangles in the drawing area. And here's my third rectangle. Now let's click on the Parameters tab of the Block Authoring palette. Let's use the Linear parameter. Make sure Snap Mode is toggled on. And let's select our first and second points. Now let's bring in a Polar parameter. First point, second point, and let's drop the label about here. Now an XY parameter. The first point, the second point, and point number 3. Now let's go to the Actions tab of the Authoring palette. Select Scale. First we select the parameter. Now we select the object. Right-click. Let's select the Scale action again. Select the parameter, distance 2, then the object, our second rectangle. Right-click. And one more time, select the Scale action, the parameter, the object, right-click. Okay, let's check out how it works. Click Test Block. And let's scale the rectangles now. Looks good. Let's exit the testing environment, close the block editor, and save our changes. And this concludes our tutorial about applying a scale action to dynamic blocks.